like that. There's a silhouette in the inside. I'm sorry, you have to hear this story twice. There's a silhouette in the inside, right? There was a passenger and I'm like sitting there going, why is there a passenger when it was just my dad getting the car? And I kind of hesitate for a moment, and at that moment it the car turned on and it zoomed out.
She tried to get into a stranger's car.
It took off so fast and it went down the street, and I'm just like, my dad was still in the parking lot. And on top of that, like, they turned around and then they drove back really slowly, doing this, like, giving all of us, like, there was 5 of us. They turned around and gave us suspicious looks, like,
why are these people trying to get into my car? Are they high?
How many do you have?
33.
Oh, I have 28.
What do you have that I don't have?
What?
What do you have that I don't have?
I don't know.
Keep doing that.
Are you okay?
Oh.